Good morning, executives. Here's your 60-second AI briefing for July 4th, 2025. According to a breaking report from MIT Technology Review, several leading AI vendors have unveiled next-generation predictive maintenance models designed for mid-market manufacturers. These AI solutions use real-time sensor data and advanced algorithms to anticipate equipment failures before they happen, enabling maintenance teams to act preemptively. Early adopters, as highlighted in the Wall Street Journal, have seen unscheduled downtime drop by up to 30%, with maintenance costs reduced by 20%. In parallel, TechCrunch reports that a wave of agile startups are offering subscription-based predictive maintenance platforms, lowering the barrier to entry for medium-sized enterprises and intensifying competition in the sector. The key takeaway for your business: AI-powered predictive maintenance is no longer just for industry giants. With proven cost reductions and operational gains, now is the time to evaluate and pilot these systems. Proactive adoption could mean the difference between leading and lagging in manufacturing efficiency. That's your AI update. Have a productive day.